Hey guys, it's Jana Michelle at You Caught Me Crafting, and I'm so excited to announce my 1K giveaway. Number one, I cannot believe that I'm close to 1K, less than 100 away, but I did have a 750 follower giveaway, but then my whole family got sick, I got sick, and we're all getting over it. So this giveaway is going to have 2 or 3 winners to make up for the 750, and all of your entries that went towards the 750 will go towards this one. You don't lose any of those entries. I'm just going to put them all towards this 1K giveaway. And if you have so many entries that your name gets picked by the wheel twice, then you get 2 paintings, because that means that you've been interacting with my content so much. And I will be using the app Tiny Decisions, and I'm just going to let it spin. I'm going to put all of your entries in, show you guys. I'll scroll through and show you all of your names, or well, kind of quickly, because I don't want people's first and last names to be shown, just for privacy's sake. I just wanted to let you know you can go to my first community post and read about ways to enter in there if you haven't already. I'm actually going to be filming, I'm really excited, a 24-hour paint-a-thon vlog, like vlog style. You know how in Booktube, which I am thinking of starting a Booktube, I would like your feedback on that in this video, since it isn't kind of a diamond painting video. If you wouldn't mind commenting below. You guys have seen all of the books around my room. I love reading, and I would love to talk about books and just share that with you. So I was thinking of starting a booktube. I know it's going to be a lot of work, but I feel like it's worth it. It is something that helps my anxiety too. I feel like reading and crafting kind of go together. And so that's just something I wanted to throw out there. I've also been thinking about reacting to movies that are based on books, or just old favorites that I go to for comfort, and maybe finding some new favorites if you guys want to suggest them, and then I can watch those. So like a movie reaction channel or something like that. Just things that calm anxiety, make us all laugh, and things that can kind of feel like we're in the room together communicating. So just give me your thoughts on anything like that down below. I would love that. And if you have ideas, those will count as an entry. I'll go ahead and add an entry under your name if you just kind of give me some feedback on what I've said. Booktube, a reaction channel, and of course none of that would hinder any of my diamond painting. This channel is going to keep flowing smoothly. Hopefully even more videos will be coming out. But I do want to make another channel, and I'd love to know what you guys would like to see. Those will go as an entry. And for the paint-a-thon, I'm thinking of making it 30 hours. I know it's usually 24 hours, but my hand's gonna cramp, guys, so I'm thinking of giving myself an extra 6 hours just to kind of rest my back. You guys know I've broken my back and stuff, so to kind of lay back and maybe watch an episode of TV while my left hand, that's the one I diamond paint with, I am left-handed, to rest, you know, to eat, to do all that. But I pretty much want to spend 24 hours straight diamond painting, which is why I'm giving myself that extra 6 hours, because I want to see how much I can diamond paint in 24 hours, if that makes sense. Because if I only give myself 24 hours, then those breaks, those hand cramps and things that I cannot help will hinder that. And I want to paint as much as I can to get as much done on my whips. I'm going to be doing a whip video. You guys have been really wanting that, and I really want to do that. I will be working on, let's see, one painting that I cannot show you guys, but all of the other ones you'll get to see me working on for a little bit. But it's not going to be, 24-hour long video. I'm just going to say, oh, I'm going to start working on this one. I might do some time lapses, and then I'll give updates, vlog style exactly. But you will get small parts of me diamond painting, and then, like I said, time lapses. I'll be taking pictures, the sections that I'm working on, and I will be counting the diamonds that I'm placing. So there'll be pictures throughout. I'm going to be keeping a journal with the times and the diamonds and everything like that. So that's going to be so much fun and a challenge. I wonder how many I can put down. I have no idea, honestly. So comment under this video not only your thoughts and ideas, but the number of diamonds you think I'm going to place in that 30 hours. I've decided it's going to be 30 hours. So a 30-hour vlog. So comment the number of diamonds you think I'll place, and what's going to happen is the first place winner is going to get 5 entries added. And if they get in, let's see, within 50 diamonds, say I put down, let's just say 100,000 diamonds in these 30 hours. If they guess within 50 of that, they'll get 10 entries. Then the second place winner will get 3 entries added. And the third place winner will get 2 entries added. So in this video, if you answer just guessing, I will also add 1 entry. So 1 entry if you just comment a guess, 1 entry if you comment responding to my ideas about BookTube and maybe a movie reaction channel that might eventually turn into a Patreon so I can do full-length reactions to movies that you guys want to watch. And then maybe I can do streaming so we can all be watching them in a chat. Something like that. But that would have to be eventually, of course, because I would need to pay an editor and stuff, so that would be on a Patreon for full length. You just can't put full length reactions on YouTube anyways. So there will be 2 entries for that, an entry for commenting about BookTube in a reaction channel, an entry if you just guess but you don't make it in the top 3, you will still get 1 entry added. Third place will get 2, second place gets 3, and first place gets 5. And if they're within 50, hey, I'll make it 100, because who knows what this numbers could be. If they get within 100 diamonds, I will double that to 10 entries. And if second place gets within 100 diamonds, because I have no idea how close first and second could be, I'll also double theirs to 6. 3 to 6. So I'm guessing third place won't get within 100, but if they do, I'll double theirs too. So I'm trying to give you guys as many chances as you can, and since I did put it off, I will be doing 3 paintings. So the contest is when I hit 1K, all of these entries will be put into tiny decisions, and then I'm gonna spin it and put it in my Instagram stories 3 times, and you can send me a Dreamer Designs, a Diamond Art Club, a Distracted by Diamonds, Diamond Art Club, basically any place that does sell licensed artwork except for DIY Moonshop. I'm sorry, that's just so expensive for me. 1 painting there, the shipping can cost me so much money that I think 1 painting ends up being over 160, 170, so that's just a lot for me. So any place, I'm so sorry, but DIY Moonshop, so there are so many great places. So good luck. I'll have all of your entries added to the 750 giveaway, people, I promise. Your interactions with my channel did not go to waste. I adore you all. I thank you all so much for all of your comments, because you comment without even thinking that there's going to be anything in it for you. But if you do want to go back through and watch my videos and see if there's a hint or a question in almost every one of my videos. And I'll keep doing that because of course I don't have 1K yet. It could be a while, it could be soon, I don't know. I just wanted to announce this contest since I am doing the vlog, hopefully tomorrow. So I wanted you guys to be able to get in your guesses today and tomorrow while the vlog is going on. So by the time I put the vlog up, I feel like you'll have had ample time to comment under here a number that you think. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. May the odds be ever in your favor. I cannot believe that I can even talk about a 1K giveaway. That's incredible to me. I'm so thankful to all of you. I cannot say it enough. And that's why I keep thinking about, booktube or reaction channels. It's doing more things that I love and feel very passionate about, and I get to share them with you guys and even more people that join our little growing community. We're all kind, and that's my whole goal, is to just have a non-judgmental, fun community where we can share things that we love and talk about our stresses, knowing that we won't get judged, or people won't say, oh, that's not stressful, this is how my day was. I just wanted to thank you again, because this is the exact type of community I wanted to have. I didn't create YouTube to not interact with the people that watch my videos, to just put videos up and expect people to watch them because I'm a great, cool person or anything. In fact, it's the opposite. I thought that nobody would watch anything or want to interact, but I'm so thankful for you guys. And this is just the first of many contests that I'll be holding, giveaways, just things like that. Anything that I can do to give back to you guys and show you my gratitude for interacting with my channel, because it's you guys that have grown my channel. And I just hope that I keep making videos that you guys like and put them up more often. And I hope that if I do make another channel, that you'll subscribe and like those videos too, because I'll put just as much effort into them as I do my diamond painting videos. And they'll be, the same as these, just me making different content, but it'll feel the same. And of course, like I said, don't worry about this channel. It's not going anywhere. This is my baby. Well, my second baby. Charlie's my baby. You guys know this, but I'm so proud of this channel, and I thank you guys for it. I cannot wait to do this giveaway, and I can't wait to do the vlog. It's going to be very different, but it's going to be so much fun, and my hand is going to be so sore afterwards. I cannot imagine diamond painting for 24 to 30 hours straight, so it's going to be so much fun. I have way too many whips. So I hope to get some paintings maybe finished or closer to finished. And I just adore all the paintings I'm working on, and I adore so many paintings that I can't work on right now. But hopefully, if I do one of these occasionally, which I do plan to, if this goes well and you guys enjoy it, I'd love to do 24-hour, paint-alongs, paint-a-thons, and things like that, so that I can kind of get work done on my whips, because with Charlie around it can be hard to do that, but that's just my little Charlie. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you enter. I hope that you win. And if you don't win, don't fret. There will be another giveaway soon. Thank you guys so much for everything. I can't say it enough. So 1K giveaway. We're on our way there, and I'm so excited. So put your guesses down below and your thoughts about how my channel can grow, and what I said about booktube and a reaction channel and eventually a Patreon, all those little things. Like I said, those aren't gonna be right away. Those will come in time. They're just thoughts I want to throw out to you guys and get your feedback on. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. No, I'm just kidding. Bye. I'll see you guys so soon. Good luck.